In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Monday.com board ID. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, the very first step is to log into your Monday.com account. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Monday.com website. Enter your credentials, and once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your main dashboard. Now that you're in, the next step is to select the board for which you need the ID. On your main dashboard, you'll find a sidebar on the left-hand side. This is where all your boards are listed. Just scroll through the list and click on the specific board you want. This will take you directly to it. Once your board is open, it's time to check the URL. Look at the address bar of your web browser, which is typically located at the top of the window. Here is where you'll see the web address for the board you've just opened. Now let's identify the ID itself. At the very end of the URL, you'll notice a series of numbers. This series of numbers is your board ID. It's usually just a string of digits and is unique to that specific board. Finally, you might want to copy this board ID for future use. Whether you're integrating it into other applications or you need it for troubleshooting support issues, you can easily right-click and select Copy, or simply use the keyboard shortcut for copying, which is Control-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully located your Monday.com board ID. If this process seems straightforward, that's great. It's meant to be simple so that you can focus on using Monday.com effectively for your projects without unnecessary complications. Whenever you need to find a board ID again, just follow these steps. Remember to always check the URL when you open a specific board, as this is where you will consistently find the ID. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.